Hello students, so this is a very exam oriented video for SRS standards on related services जो finance year level पे है. There are two standards in this standards on related services. One is SRS 4400 and second one is SRS 4410. But इसके पहले कि मैं ये शुरू करूँ, before I start this, listen to me. What is the full form of this? Standards on related services. Okay. Now the main thing in SRS category is that I am not going to check and express an opinion. ये रेड टी शर्ट पहना है, दिस पर्सन इज वेयरिंग रेड टी शर्ट, इसको बोलते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फैक्चुअल फाइंडिंग. वेदर दिस रेड टी शर्ट इज प्रॉपर रेड और नॉट, वेदर दिस रेड टी शर्ट इज लुकिंग गुड और नॉट, ऐसा कोई भी ओपिनियन एक्सप्रेस नहीं करूंगा. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस एन ओपिनियन. First of all, get this thing in your head, that is SRS category. So standards on related services, there are two standards, and in both the standards one thing is very clear, that there is no assurance activity. What is assurance activity? That I will take the data from the client, express an opinion, client will show that report to the stakeholders, people will trust that. I am not going to do that. Client will give me certain work, client एक मुझे काम देगा, उसके facts जो है, that facts I will write it in the report and I will finish it off. And that is why there are two standards, SRS 440, 4410, उस पे आता हूं मैं, but I have given this example of how this works. All right, so that is why please look at this example. Let us say X Limited appoints CAA to evaluate validity of accounts payable, and I have taken a module example itself. Then CAA will get the list of accounts payable, he will confirm from the accounts payable this is the amount that the company is supposed to pay. All right, and जो भी goods वगैरह purchase किए थे, those invoices and stuff, he will accumulate, he will see that, and he will say okay, these are the accounts payable and this is the amount to be paid. Whether this entire data is showing a true and fair view or not, I am not going to express an opinion. यही accounts payable पे let us say if I have to express an opinion whether it is free from material misstatement showing a true and fair view, तो एक specific item का audit हो जाएगा, and that is covered under SA 805. Alright, so you can clearly see the difference if you look at this note. And ये जो काम मुझे दे रहा है client, the work that this client is giving me, this client wants me to work on accounts payable, another client would want me to work on accounts receivable, some client would want me to work on TDS on salary. So कौन से financial information, which financial information they want me to go through, all right, that client will tell me. Client will also tell me the list of procedures that he expects me to do. All right, and that is why ऐसे वाले जो assignments है, they are called as AUP, agreed upon procedures, and that is exactly SRS 4400. 4410 is something different. All right, उस पे बाद में आता हूँ. So SRS 4400 talks about AUP, agreed upon procedures, and that is why it is important कि ये AUP के अंदर client will tell me that okay, this is the subject matter. Client will tell me okay, these are the procedures expected from me, and I will just give a report of factual findings as agreed with the client or two three third parties of the client. Let us say the client and the investor, both of them come to me and tell me that okay, XYZ work you are supposed to do. उसमें कोई opinion expected नहीं है, just give a report of factual findings. Then I will give a report which will be used by the client and the investor of the client. All right, understood? That is agreed upon procedures. Okay, so it is very important that you go through these two pages very slowly so that you can understand what exactly this category deals with. Okay, now content बहुत छोटा है. SRS 4400 from the module, the key points that we come across for agreed upon procedures. First, they will talk about general principles and ethical requirements, quality control. Hello, SQC1 quality control applies to all of these engagements. एथिकल रिक्वायरमेंट्स तो फुलफिल करना ही है ना, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी, इंटीग्रिटी, कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, प्रोफेशनल कंपिटेंस, ड्यू केयर, प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर, वो सब तो होता ही है. ऑलराइट, बट वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू नोटिस दैट इंडिपेंडेंस इज नॉट अ कंपल्सरी रिक्वायरमेंट ओवर हियर. आप ऑडिट नहीं कर रहे हो ना, सो इंडिपेंडेंस वाला रिक्वायरमेंट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल. Let us say my father's company wants me to do this particular assignment. All right, still I can take it up, so not a problem at all. Okay, so independence is not a mandatory requirement over here. Now for these agreed upon procedures, before I accept this engagement, what are the matters to be agreed upon? See, common sense, there will be a subject matter, there will be a list of procedures. All right, then I need to tell them that I am not going to give an opinion on this subject matter. Okay, then I need to understand that ye wala report where you are going to use it. Okay, so these are the matters to be agreed. I have given a code word pinned, all right, but don't worry, you can logically also remember what is the purpose of this engagement, what are the procedures to be applied, what is the financial information on which I'm going to apply the procedure, what will be the nature of this engagement. Hello, I'm not going to express any kind of assurance, and where you're going to distribute and use this report, because report is meant only for the parties who are parties to this contract with whom I have agreed the procedures. All right. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Till May 19 also these standards were there, and ये वाला question बहुत repeatedly आता था, matters to be agreed upon when it comes to SRS 4400. Okay, now what are the procedures to be applied? अब ये validity of accounts payable, I will conduct inquiry, recalculation, inspection, observation, confirmation, only these procedures. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to express an opinion, I will just give a report of factual findings. Yes, so please remember these procedures. Cori code word also you can use over here. All right, then when it comes to the reporting part, there will be a report but only of factual findings. So this title, address and all of that is fine, introductory lines. Abhi SRE, SA, SRA series, you are seeing that there are some common points in the report. All right, but look at this. I need to tell them that this engagement was performed as per SRS. I need to tell them that okay, these were the procedures applied. I need to give a list of the procedures. Okay, I need to give a description of what are my factual findings. Okay, I need to tell them that this is neither audit nor review. There is no assurance over here. I'm not expressing an opinion, no reasonable assurance, no limited assurance, nothing. All right, and I need to tell them that this report is restricted only to the parties for whom the report was prepared, with whom the procedures were agreed. So ये reporting वाला paragraph just go through once. Okay, so SRS 4400 में इतना ही है. Yes, even if you go through the module, you will find only these many key points. Now, SRS 4410 is little sensitive application based killing. Compilation engagements. What is compilation engagement? It is nothing but preparation of financial information. So management has the trial balance, journal ledger and stuff, and they want practicing CA to help them in preparation of financial information. Okay, so that is compilation engagement, where I will be applying, where a practicing CA will be applying his accounting and financial expertise. Okay, so I am just preparing the data for the client. Here इसमें तो I am not giving a report of factual findings also. इसमें तो purely I am acting as just as an accountant. Alright, so when you are writing SRS 4410, you can write accountant or practitioner. Okay, so वो जो assignment है that I have written over here, जो भी मैंने बोला, that same thing I have written over here. Practitioner will assist the management in preparation and presentation of financial information in accordance with applicable financial reporting framework, and practitioner will apply his financial and accounting expertise. Okay, now ये जो compilation engagement है, so this what is compilation engagement? Why that theory question they can ask. ये जो compilation engagement है, compilation engagement. Okay, what is the purpose? Why management is appointing me for preparation of financial statements, where they will use this financial information? अरे या तो mandatory कोई filing के लिए use करना होगा, to comply with some mandatory periodic filing requirements, you know, with SEBI they want to file or with ROC they want to file. Okay, but voluntarily also they may appoint, जहाँ पे they don't want to file this financial information somewhere, they just want to prepare it because you know they have a contract with someone and they need to report it to them. All right, or they just want it for their internal use, or they just want it for some transactional purpose like merger, business acquisition, combination कुछ हो रहा है, and in that some financial information needs to be prepared. So if you are being engaged to prepare the financial information, all right, then please remember you apply SRS 4410, and ये तो खाली why part है, that why it is required या तो by law, but if it is not required for financial reporting, mandatory financial reporting, then it may be required for ICT, internal use, contractual and transaction purpose. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. You are at the last standard. अब आप whenever the question is in front of you, जब आपके सामने question होता है, जैसे you will look at pro forma. Oh, pro forma. Arey, SAE 3420 pro forma. But listen to me. If the practicing CA has been appointed to prepare pro forma for the client, prepare pro forma, not to check, prepare pro forma, then it is SRS 4410. तो खाली pro forma देख के don't go to SAE 3420. Are you getting my point? Then summary financial statements. Summary financial statements. Audit of summary financial statements in a SA 810. But you are appointed to prepare summary financial statements and stuff, then it is over here. Be careful. Prospective. Arey, SAE 3400. Arey, but wait. If you have been appointed to prepare prospective, then it is over here. SRS 4410. Special purpose financial statements. S800. Relax. Right? If you have been appointed to prepare that special purpose financial statements to prepare, then it is SRS 4410. I hope you are getting my point. Yes. So be calm when you are looking at the question. All right. And that is why I hope that you are looking at this standard as the last standard and not just looking at in between. वो ऐसे ऐसे हो जाने के बाद you can come over here. All right. Okay. Now, when it comes to compilation engagement, what is the flow? Management is responsible for preparation and presentation of financial information. The accountant, the practitioner, is just assisting the management by applying financial and accounting expertise. And at the end of the day, practitioner will prepare one compilation report, not just preparation of financial statements, but he will also prepare a compilation report. And in that, he is not going to give any kind of assurance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ethical requirements, same as discussed in SRS 4400. Main fundamental principles of professional ethics will continue to apply, and independence requirement is not mandatory over here. Okay, then matters to be agreed upon before accepting the engagement. Okay, so this is a compilation engagement. Hello management, you will be responsible for preparation. Alright, where you are going to use this compilation, compiled financial information, where you are going to use it, where my report will be distributed. Such things are to be agreed upon. Look at this. Matters to be agreed upon before accepting the engagement. Responsible DOSA report. Okay. Responsibilities of practitioner. Responsibilities of management. Okay. Management की क्या क्या responsibilities है? Fuzzy, financial statement preparation, accuracy, completeness, whatever judgments are involved, whatever internal control, all of that is your responsibility. DOSA. D for distribution and use of this information, where you're going to distribute and use it. OS, what will be my objective and scope, what do you expect from me, what will be my coverage. All right. And ये Ind AS के हिसाब से बनाना है, special purpose financial statements, whatever it is, what is the applicable financial reporting framework. Okay, so responsible DOSA report, and at the end of the day I'm going to give a report. Okay, so that form and content of that report. So very basic matters to be agreed upon before accepting the engagement. Okay, now listen to me, there are some sensitive points over here. As a practitioner, when you are performing compilation engagement, जब आप perform करने वाले हो compilation engagement, all right. So there is one code word, understand card. So there are 5 points which you need to be careful about. First, you will obtain an understanding of their accounting system, entity, business environment. तो ही आपको पता चलेगा ना. Only then you will come to know what are the accounting policies and stuff to be applied over here. Then you will actually start your work, compile the financial information using the records, judgments, other information, whatever is given by the management. You don't use your own judgment, and even if you are using your judgment, then please discuss it with management and those charged with governance, because you are just an accountant who is here to compile, all right, not to apply your own judgments over there. Okay, then last May, when the full information is ready, before completing the engagement, खत्म करो काम, उसके पहले एक बार रीड कर लो द एंटायर कंपाइल्ड फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन. ऑलराइट, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे टेक अ सिग्नेचर फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट दैट मैनेजमेंट प्लीज एक्नॉलेज दैट यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फाइनल वर्जन. ऑलराइट, एंड आई एम जस्ट हियर टू असिस्ट यू. ओके, सो कार्ड में this A acknowledgement comes at the end, if you can remember, but agar code word sequence mein bhi if you remember it, then it is fine. So these are the procedures for performing compilation engagements. Okay, now listen to me. There are 2 case studies that they can ask over here, and this has been one of their favorite case study even in the grand old course. So listen to me. What if practitioner is unable to complete the engagement because management has failed to provide the records? If practitioner is unable to complete the engagement because management has not given proper records, then please withdraw from the engagement after discussing the reasons of withdrawal with management and those charged with governance. Okay, however, this case study is very sensitive and I am worried, मुझे एक डर है, I am worried that students may end up committing silly mistake. See, if you are the auditor and if management does not rectify something, यानी कि मटीरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट है, ऑलराइट, देन वी से क्वालिफाइड ओपिनियन, एडवर्स ओपिनियन. बट इफ यू आर हियर जस्ट टू कंपाइल द फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन, यू आर जस्ट अ ब्लडी अकाउंटेंट, दैट्स इट, then in that case you cannot talk about opinion and stuff. So don't commit such silly mistake. So if practitioner becomes aware that compiled financial information is materially misstated, यानी समझो disclosures नहीं दिए हैं या amendments are required या it is misleading, then first I will go to the management, tell them that these are the rectification that needs to be done. I will propose appropriate amendments to the management. Management denies, those charged with governance says no, हम लोग rectify नहीं करेंगे, will not rectify it. Then they are saying that please withdraw from the engagement after discussing the reasons of withdrawal. If withdrawal is not possible, then check whatever is your professional and legal responsibility, please fulfill that. अभी withdrawal is not possible तो होगा नहीं इसमें, you can easily withdraw because this is not some legal assignment or there is no SEBI circular of resignation applicable over here, वो सब तो auditor पे होता है. Alright, but still, in order to complete the answer, you need to write this. So they will give you a case study where financial information is materially misstated, but they will tell you that you have been appointed to compile and not to audit. Then don't go to opinion and stuff. Alright, stick over here. Please, I hope you have reached till this point in the video, and students, please like, comment this, give your comments and likes to the video, because this is a quality content. I want it to reach to all final CA community students. All right, so please fulfill your duty also. Now when it comes to compilation engagement, this whole reporting part, report mein what are the main lines, this title, address, introduction, all of that is fine. Responsibilities of practitioner, responsibilities of management, all of that is fine, but we will tell them that this is a compilation engagement, not an assurance engagement. I am not giving any kind of opinion, we are just here to compile the financial information. And if the information is a special purpose financial statements, तो ऐसे 800 में भी बोला था, we will have to include 2 alerts that what is the purpose of the financial statements, because it is a special purpose financial statements, and we'll have to tell them that it is only suitable for selected users and not suitable for other users. All right, so ये थोड़ा purpose आपको डालना पड़ेगा over here. So these are some sensitive reporting requirements, otherwise you can just go through this once. Okay, and now if you solve the test your understanding questions, that will be more than enough, but there are 2-3 test your knowledge questions also. If you go through them, I'm 100% sure that you will be able to do this. Again, I'm telling you the important part, SRS 4400 4410, the introduction ki dono standard hai kya. All right, then in SRS 4400, this matters to be agreed upon, and in SRS 4410, matters to be agreed upon, and this particular point as a case study. Okay, that's it for SRS category. All the very best.